Luxie Travel Bag Review. Let's get started. So, Luxie Travel Bag is and has garnered attention for its sleek design and multifunctionality. So, it offers design and capacity. So, as you can see, it holds over 38 plus items of clothing, plus 5 pairs of shoes. You can also switch between shoulder and rolling in seconds, which is designed for portability, which means it features a detachable wheels and an adjustable shoulder strap for versatile carrying options. It even has a wrinkle-free packing for any outfit, and you can skip the check-in line and save up to $65 on the fees. Now, for this model, you can have two options, even the roller edition or just the classic edition. And depends on the prices, you'll get a summer sale of 50% off. And what's your option is the classic and roller. Now, it has for the pros. Now let's talk for the pros. First, it is spacious and organized, so the users appreciate the ample storage and thoughtful compartments, making it packing efficient. It even has an aesthetic appeal, so the bag's sleek appearance and variety of color options cater to style-conscious travelers. And lastly, it offers eco-friendly materials, so the use of vegan leather aligns with sustainable preferences. Now let's talk about its downside though. There are quality concerns, so some users reported with the zippers malfunctioning during initial use and the inconsistent stitching. And it also has wheel mechanism flaws, so the detachable wheels lacks the 360 degrees rotation, leading to maneuverability challenges and some when the bag is fully loaded. And lastly is the customer service issues. So some customers have experienced difficulties with returns, citing partial refunds and prolonged response times. So in conclusion, although it presents a compelling design with features tailored for modern travelers, however, recurring quality issues and customer service challenges raise concerns about its reliability.